Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this session, we are going to discuss about configuration of Cucumber, and we are discuss the basic about Cucumber, right? And it is a testing approach which supports BDD framework and which supports behavior data driven development. It explains the behavior of the application in a simple English text by using Gherkin languages. Okay, and coming to the installation, first you have to install natural and Cucumber plugin. Okay, the step number one is install natural and Cucumber plugin by Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, we need to install two plugins to configure Cucumber framework. How to install? And go to Eclipse IDE. Okay, go to Eclipse and search for Eclipse Marketplace. Help. Okay, go to Eclipse and click on Help. Go to Help tab and select Eclipse Marketplace. And my setup was checking, that's why it's too late. Select Eclipse Marketplace. In this session, we need to search for Cucumber. In this window, we have to search for Cucumber. Okay, just for 2 minutes to install and to retrieve the data from the Eclipse Marketplace. Search for Cucumber. Once you are search for Cucumber, it's going to show Cucumber plugin and natural plugin. I was already installed because it takes lots of time to installation. That's why I have already installed both plugins. Okay, you can download from Eclipse Marketplace, and after installation you have to restart your Eclipse. Okay, and I have already installed because it is a time taking process, that's why I have already installed. Then the next step is create maven project. Create maven project. First we have to install natural and Cucumber plugins, and second one we have to create maven project. In this last class we have created a maven project. Okay, how to create maven project? Go to file, new, go for others and search for maven and extend maven, then you will get maven project, then click on OK. Then click on next, then you have to give group ID, artifact ID. It is an user defined, you can give any name and you can create any number of artifact IDs in a group ID. Okay, I have already created a maven project, right? That's why I'm not creating another maven project. And add Cucumber dependencies like Cucumber core, Cucumber HTML, Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit, okay, etc. There are lots of jar files you have to add. For this, Go to Cucumber official site, cucumber.io. Go for cucumber.io. In official site, we have documentation. In that documentation, we have installation. Select installation. In installation documentation, Cucumber supports multiple languages. Which language we are using? Java language, right? Just click on Cucumber JVM option, okay? Once selecting Cucumber JVM, you get a maven dependencies like Cucumber Java, Cucumber, okay? If you are using Java 1.8, you can use first one, otherwise you can use second one, okay? And I'm configuring io.cucumber. In maven project, we have a pom.xml. In the last class, we discussed about how to add dependencies, right? Same like that, you can add. And in last class, we have downloaded Selenium Java, Selenium API, TestNG, right? I'm going to add a Cucumber Java also. How to add? Just click on add button, then give the group ID, then give the artifact ID. My artifact ID is Cucumber Java. Then click on artifact ID is Cucumber Java. Then my version is 7.0.0. Okay. Then click on OK. Then save. Once you are click on save, here it is downloading Cucumber related Java jars, okay? Yes, I'm successfully configured one jar, right? And here we have only 3 simple steps: install natural and Cucumber plugins and create maven project and add Cucumber dependencies. Okay, in real time, why we use Cucumber? Do you have any doubts about why we use Cucumber? Most of the organizations use Selenium for functional testing. These organizations which are using Selenium and they want to integrate Selenium with Cucumber as Cucumber makes it easy to read. Okay, we have discussed in the last class, right? It is easy to read and to understand the application flow. Okay, and for this we have to create a feature file and we have to create a step definition file. Okay, we have to create these files. I will show in an example. It is just a pre-understanding about the Cucumber. Okay, in feature file we are writing behavior of the application by using gherkin keywords. Okay, that's why it makes the users to read and clients to understand the application flow. Okay, describes the behavior of the test case in gherkin keywords. Okay, BDD framework acts as the bridge between the people like software engineers and business analyst, manual tester and automation tester, and manual tester and developers also. And here we have benefits like client to understand the application code. Okay, and how to create these files, let's go with the example. Okay, and Coming to the Gherkin keywords, you have to know about the Gherkin keywords and what do you mean by Gherkin keywords. Okay, to more about Gherkin keywords, go to this documentation. Okay, select Gherkin syntax here, Gherkin reference. Select is Gherkin reference, and Gherkin uses a set of special keywords to give the structure and meaning to executable specifications. Each keyword is translated to many spoken languages. In this reference, we will use English. Okay. Most of the lines in a Gherkin document start with the one of the keyword like and, when, then, given. Okay. It is a simple English. You can easily understand, and it is easy to understand our code also. Okay. First, you get aware of the Gherkin keywords. Gherkin keywords are categorized into two types, primary and secondary. Gherkin keywords has primary and secondary keywords. And here we have the primary keywords and secondary keywords. Just go through this documentation. You can easily understand what you mean by given, when, and the keywords, what you mean by at the rate, what you mean by hashtag. Okay. And we have primary keywords and the secondary keywords. Okay, with the help of primary and secondary keywords, we are going to create a feature file. Okay. First, we are discussing about primary keywords, and later then you go with the secondary keywords. And the first keyword is feature. With the help of feature, we are going to explain the feature name or module name. Okay. Okay, it's going to specify the functionality name. What is scenario? To write the test title or example test title. Okay. And to write test steps, we are using given, when, then, and but. Okay. To write the test steps. In general, given we are using initial context of a system. Okay. In when we are writing the condition. Okay. And to add additional steps we are using and. Okay. To verify values we are using then. Okay. To write negative steps we are using but. Okay. These are the main keywords in real time. We are using feature, scenario, given, when, then, and but. And only these keywords are using in a real time projects. In Cucumber official sites, there is an example. Here we have an example. Hash and at the rate comes under secondary keywords, right? Hash is in comments and at the rate is a tag. First keyword is a feature. In feature, we are specifying the module name or the functionality. Okay. Here, eating too many cucumbers may not be good for you. Right? In scenario, we are going to write test title. Then given is used to and Alice is hungry. When she eats 3 cucumbers, it is a condition. Then is a verify the value. She will be full. Okay. To additional conditions, we are using and. In negative conditions, we are using but. These are the keywords and get aware of these keywords. Okay. I'm going to automate a scenario. For example, I'm going with the cyclos.org. We have discussed data driven keyword page object model and we are in Cucumber framework right now. Okay, all the frameworks are gone through this website only and just go with the differences what we have written. Okay, if you get any differences and if you can find any differences, just comment me in the comment section. Okay, first we have to create 2 files. One is feature file and the second one is step definition file. By using Gherkin keywords, we are using feature file. Okay, let's go with the example. How to create a feature file? Just maven project. Go to maven project and you have to create a a folder. In that folder, you are going to text document. Just right click on maven project. Go to new, select folder. In that folder, given the folder name as feature file. Okay, my folder name is feature files. You can give any name, it is a user defined name. And just click on finish. And it is an empty folder and I have to create a feature file or something login feature and any name you can give. Okay, in all we are going to write all feature files in a feature file folder. Just right click on new, select file. Okay, first we have selected the folder, then next we are going to use file. You can give any file name. Sorry. And I'm giving as login feature. And my file name is login.feature. You have to give the extension because it is a feature file. It is a Java class. We are going to not giving a Java class. By default, it is getting a Java. Right? We have to pass the file name. For XML file, we are giving .xml. For feature file, we are giving .feature. Then click on finish. Once you are clicking finish button, it is installing Gherkin plugins. Okay, then only it show it the green color. You have to install Gherkin plugin. For this, going to use feature keyword. First, I'm going to use feature keyword. Okay, it is a primary keyword. Feature equal to or colon, and feature is, it is a functionality. You can give any name, as I am giving the functionality as login functionality. Okay, it is an user defined name. You can give any name. And my feature is login functionality, then you have to give scenario, right? Okay, my test title is a scenario. Scenario is a keyword and it defines the test title. Scenario. In scenario, I am giving verify test title or user is able to log in. Okay, login with valid credentials. Verify user is able to log in with valid credentials. It is my title. Okay, this is the test title. Then we have to use given keyword, right? Given. Here we have to click on login, right? Then you have to provide username and password, then click on submit button. In the same manner, I am going to automate. First, I am going to write a given. In given keyword, we have to, if user is on home page. Given if user is on home page, when we have to specify the condition when user click on login, right? And we have to enter, right? We have to enter username and password or fill login details. Okay, and fill login details, or you can write enter username and password. Then okay, once you have to log in, then verify page title, or I can verify the logout link. Okay, I can verify the page title or I can verify the logout link also. Okay, you have to automate these steps in your own words in a simple language that user should understood or your product manager should understood. Okay, that's why we are using Cucumber frameworks with the Selenium. Okay, and it is a simple feature file. Just running, you can get an implementation methods. Okay, and here we have an examples like all ands or stars. You can write a number of steps by using asterisk symbol or and keyword. And here you can write by your own, and no need to verify, no need to write as same it is. Okay, you can write as your own. Okay, for each step we have to write the step definition file. Okay, here it is showing no definition found. Just how to write step definition? Just simply you have to write a definition, right? First you have to execute, you have to run the feature file. Once you are running this file, it is showing unimplemented methods. It's going to generate snippet code or unimplemented methods. Okay, you can implement missing steps with the snippets below. Copy that code, and here we have to create a package. In SRC test Java, you have to create package. In that package, you have to copy this code. Okay, I have created already a package. For example, I can create another package, or I can create a class. Okay, in login definition, I can copy all the snippets here. Okay, by creating feature file and by running the feature file, you are getting the step definitions or some unimplemented methods. Those you have to copy and pasting over the step definitions or steps file, or you can give login definitions. Okay, then you have to import these cucumber.java.n.given. Okay, instead of multiple import statements, you can use star. Okay, you can use simple star. Okay, fine. This is the simple feature file, and we are writing a given, when, then, and we are using some predefined methods. I'm copying the login.java. I'm going to copy that code into my Cucumber login definition file. Launching the browser. Okay, launching the browser and synchronization, copying that and pasting over the given section. Okay, I'm copying the same code. If you have gone through the earlier videos, you will get that code. Okay, why? Because I don't want to waste my time and your time. Just understand the concepts, how we are designing our framework. And I'm giving initializing WebDriver driver as global variable. And here user is on home page. Then you have to click on login link, right? And I have to pass the login link element. Click on login link. We have a code for clicking on login link, right? Just copying that line and I'm pasting over here. Click on login link. Then you have to enter the username and password. For this also we are writing and we are copying from the earlier code. Okay, I'm going to copy overall code. I want no need to store any variable. I'm just deleting that line. Just you have to resolve this error. You have to add a throws exception, right? Then you have to verify the logout link. Just go with the logout link. We have the logout locator also. Driver.find element by id logout trigger.click. Okay. I have to verify the presence of that link, right? How to verify? By using is displayed. D.find element by id value dot is displayed. Okay, this is the simple feature file and the step definition file. In coming session I will tell you about the test runner class and how to run our script in Cucumber. Okay, and go through these videos. These videos are helpful for the experienced candidates, those who want to get experienced job, and those who want to know about the basics of Cucumber, Maven, PayOM, right? Hope you like this video is useful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. If you have any doubts or questions, comment me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.